you're a solopreneur or creator, you're not just creating content, you're building systems. You need presentations, you need landing pages, you need social content. And you need all of it fast. In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools I use to create presentations and how I repurpose those slides across my content funnel for landing pages, social media, emails, and video content. How I use slides in a content funnel. I don't see slides as presentation files. I see them as visual content blocks. One slide can be reused as a landing page section, a social media post, an email visual, a video frame. This lets me build funnels faster without writing long blocks of text every time. Now let's go tool by tool, and I'll be very specific about what each tool allows you to export. Tool 1, Canva. With Canva, you can create a presentation design using AI. You give it a prompt, it generates the slides, and you adjust the layout visually. Export options based on your requirement. Export as PPT if you want editable slides. Export as PNG if you want images for landing pages or social posts. How I repurpose Canva slides. PNG images for landing page sections. Social media graphics, email visuals, video overlays. This makes Canva one of the easiest tools for fast multi-channel content creation. Tool 2, Figma. Figma gives you a very unique workflow. You can create an AI presentation inside Figma and then publish it as a website. That website itself can act as a landing page, a product explainer, a concept page. If you don't want it live as a site, you can convert the web page slide sections into PNG images and then use those images directly on your main landing page. So with Figma, you get presentation, website, image assets, all from the same source. If this breakdown is helping you, tap the like button. And yes, that like sticker is created by me. If you want more custom stickers, drop a comment and tell me what you want next. Now back to the tools. Tool 3, Slidesgo. With Slidesgo, you can create an AI presentation and download it as a PPT file. That's the key output here. Once you have the PPT, you can open it, export individual slides, convert them into PNG images. How I use Slidesgo outputs. Landing page visuals, lead magnet slides, social carousel images, email explainers. It's a clean workflow when you want structured slides that are easy to repurpose. Tool 4, SlidesAI. SlidesAI works slightly differently. You can generate a presentation using AI, and under the free plan, you can export that presentation as a video. Now here's the repurposing trick. Once you have the video, upload it to Canva or use any video to image converter. Extract individual slide frames as images. That means one AI presentation becomes a video, multiple images, social posts, landing page sections. Very useful when you want motion plus static content from one asset. Tool 5, Template.net. With Template.net, you need to do one important thing first. From the drop down, choose presentation before generating content. You then generate an AI presentation. Under the free plan, download it as a PDF file. Once you have the PDF, use any online PDF to PPT converter or convert the PDF directly into images. Where this works well? Framework visuals, strategy explanations, comparison sections, email attachments, not flashy but very functional. Quick note on Gamma. For landing pages specifically, I personally use Gamma the most. I've created a separate detailed video on Gamma and you'll find the link at the top right. This video focuses on alternatives so you can choose what fits your workflow best. Slides, SEO and search intent. If your page uses only images and no text, search intent can become questionable. So the balance I follow is slides for clarity and engagement, short supporting text for indexing. Clear CTAs for conversion. Slides help users understand faster. Text helps search engines understand better. Content marketing blueprint. If you want more ideas on how creators structure visual content funnels, there's a content marketing blueprint ebook I often refer to. It's not my ebook. I use it purely for ideas and frameworks. I've linked it below if you want to explore it too. If this video helped you see presentation as multi-purpose content assets, consider subscribing. More real workflow AI tools and funnel strategies coming up. See you in the next one.